Alright, so trying to jump start this Isuzu, and the battery's good at 12 volts. And when he tries it, try it real quick so they can hear it. You can hear the starter is stuck, right? So I'm just going to take this hammer and lightly tap on it and try to get it to start up by getting the gear unstuck in the starter. And it's loud as all poop because that cement truck's pouring over there. Try it. There you go. Starter, man. There you go. And that's how to get your starter unstuck when you're trying to get back en route. That's your starter right there, guys. And now you put it and tap on it. You see where I'm hitting at. Give it a couple of taps, and that usually will get the gear unstuck. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it helped you out. That's how to get your starter unstuck. You know, if it's not the battery, you know, if the batteries aren't dead and you got plenty of voltage, then most likely if you're just hearing that clicking sound or a whining sound, it's your starter. If it's making the clicking sound, it's probably just the gear stuck. So if you tap on it like I did with the hammer, you should be able to get it going. Alright guys, see you on the next video. Bye now.